you, insert video title here. We're going to walk through how to build a regular email in Mailchimp and use its built-in AI to generate your content quickly and confidently. First, open your Mailchimp account and sign in so you land on the dashboard. From here, look toward the top and click Create. This opens the composer where you can choose what you want to build. Select Email to start an email campaign, then choose Regular Email. A regular email is perfect for newsletters, updates, and straightforward promotions without automations. You'll now see a setup screen where you can add a few essentials. Choose your audience, which is the list or segment of contacts who should receive this message. For example, you might pick your project news list, if that's where you send updates. Then give your email name a clear internal label so you can recognize it later in your campaign history. This name is just for you and your team, not your recipients, so keep it descriptive. Next, click Design Email. This opens the visual editor where you can assemble your layout. You'll see content blocks like text, images, buttons, and dividers that you can drag into the canvas. Start by arranging a simple structure, maybe a header image, a text section, and a call to action button. Don't worry about perfect wording yet. We'll use AI to draft it. When you're ready for help writing, click Write with AI. This tool is designed to suggest headlines, body copy, and calls to action based on your guidance. Now click Generate Content. A prompt box will appear. Enter your prompt. This is where you tell the AI what you need. For example, you could write a promotional email for a digital marketing service with a friendly tone. The more specific you are, the better the results. Consider including your offer, who it's for, the tone you want, and a desired call to action. You can also mention any key points you must include, such as a limited time discount or a link destination, so the AI frames the copy correctly. When your prompt is set, click Generate. Mailchimp will produce draft content tailored to your request and place it into your email blocks. Read through the suggestions and refine anything that needs a personal touch. Adjust the voice to match your brand, tighten headlines, and make sure calls to action are clear. If a section doesn't feel right, you can regenerate or lightly edit it until it fits your message. That's it. Your regular email is drafted with AI assistance, organized with clear blocks, and ready for your next steps.